low water. This is food colouring, and this is salt, and this is flour. Now we're gonna do the next stage of salt. Ooh.
Okay, Shante and Jaden, pour your salt in your flour.
Okay.
Now add a little bit of water.
Okay. I have some.
Jaden, a little bit more. A little bit more.
Hey.
All right. Okay, start mixing it up together.
It looks cool, guys. It's like cool, guys. Look at mine, guys.
You're making such a mess, Jaden.
Look at mine, guys. Nice, guys.
Okay, Shante, I think you need to put some more water.
More
Jaden,
water?
you as well.
Oh, I'm messing everywhere.
Leave your spoon inside, just add the water.
Okay. What?
More, Shante.
Yeah.
Okay, Jaden, start stirring yours up. Shante, stir yours up.
Nice. That's cool, guys. I've been guys, it's making Play-Doh. It's making Play-Doh. Play-Doh, guys. It's making Play-Doh, guys. I can actually really see it. I can really see it.
Can I help you?
Okay.
Mix it up all nicely together.
I am, Mummy.
Yes, big boy. Okay, Shante,
Yeah.
let's see.
For carrying.
Let's take your, now, this comes the fun part.
One part.
Take your hands and start
Doing
kneading it.
kneading it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jaden, give me yours, that I can help you to mix it up.
Looks fun, guys. Look.
Give to me.
Mommy, it looks so sticky.
Yes.
It looks so sticky, guys. It's going everywhere, isn't it?
So Jaden, now I need you to start doing kneading yours. Then you put it down and knee again. Alright?
Yeah.
Have fun!
Should it go in?
Yeah, you can put some in. Let's change it up a little bit.
Okay.
Where's your food colouring, Shante?
Here. Mix it, Mommy.
Put it in.
No, mix it. Mommy, mix it. Mix it, mix it.
Put more in.
Okay. More in?
Yes. That's enough, Jaden.
Is that enough?
Yeah, mix it up, and then if you need more, you can always add more.
I can't mix it. I can't.
You must mix it with your hands now.
No, I can't. I can't do that.
Oh, look at that nice blue.
Right.
You should say, let's see yours. Oh, now I've got some blue in yours as well. See how you play with it?
Yes.
And then you put it in again. Twist it. Mix it with the other flour.
Look, my hand's blue.
Yeah, that's enough. You don't need any more. Put it down. That's enough.
Can I have a little bit of pink?
Yeah, I think you need some more. No, Jaden, no water.
No water.
Mix yours with your hands. Look at Shantae's. Look here. Shantae's has got pink and blue in.
Yeah, it looks cool. I am.
Alright, Shantae. Mix yours with your hands. Knead it all together. Jaden, let me help you. See, you're not supposed to put water in, guys, like Jaden. Because if you put water in, it starts going all soggy.
Hey, Mom, how your hands go pink? Yeah, my hands are going pink, guys. Look.
Aww.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. So cool.
Wait, Jaden, I'm helping you.
It looks like a paint in my hand. I think if I put in my hand, blue. I'm making a pancake.
No, it's not a pancake. It's just Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's just Play-Doh. And can make flour.
Although everything in here you can eat.
Eat? I can eat it.
I guess you can make a nice blue pizza, Jaden. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah. It looks cool when I make
Let's add a bit of Shantae's flour to yours.
Yeah.
And we just knead it in nicely there for you. So guys, if it's too soggy, you can always add some more flour.
Yeah. More flour.
Look how nice that looks like.
Look at mine. Mine looks pink.
Look at Shantae's. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Oh, Shantae, you can start playing with yours.
On my line?
Let's see, we need some more flour because you're not supposed to add water, Jaden.
Yeah. It looks so messier. Why would it look like rainbow? Look, this is going purple out.
Oh, because the blue and the pink is probably mixing in yours. Oh, nice, Jaden.
Do this, Mommy.
Now you can play. Now you've got Play-Doh.
Yeah, cool, guys. Look at my hands. Yeah. Look at mine. Look at mine. Looks cool. Look at mine, guys. Like blue, guys. It looks like sky blue.
How does it feel?
It's
Putting
like
your fingers in there.
It's like feels so soft. I don't want to put my finger in there. But it's a little bit hard. Look at yours, Jaden.
No, yours is not hard. Yours is nice and soft.
Yeah. And mine too, Mummy. Water?
No, no water. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. Guys, look.
Do you want to do it again?
Just look. Yeah, I really want to do this again. It's a fun time when we're doing this. What? This looks like blue. Yeah. My cake. Yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.
Show your hands. Let's see your hands.
Look at my pink hands. Blue hands. Bye.